Tap the vehicle icon on the center display to enter the Vehicle Settings interface. In the Vehicle Settings interface, you turn on Driver Exhaustion Alert under the Driving tab. The Driver Exhaustion Alert camera is on the steering column behind the steering wheel. The driver status can be monitored via this camera. When the camera is blocked, or the system cannot detect the driver's full face, it will prompt a yellow warning on the driver information display, along with a visual and audio signal to alert the driver that the camera is blocked. You can adjust the steering wheel or the seat to make sure the camera can be seen in the driving, and Driver Exhaustion Alert can work properly. When the system detects that you are showing signs of minor fatigue, a red indicator will flash on the driver information display with text and audio messages produced. When the system detects that you are showing signs of severe fatigue, in addition to the warning indicator, text and audio messages on the driver information display to encourage you to stop the car for a rest. Notes on Driver Exhaustion Alert. In the following cases, the driver monitoring accuracy may be compromised. Never drive when tired. The Driver Exhaustion Alert is an aid, and it cannot intervene in driving operations. The driver is always responsible for driving safely.